What's up, mechanics? Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a powerful high protein salad. Sorry if it's a little echo in here. This is a smaller room, not a lot of stuff in it. I'm working on those details, but stay tuned. So we're back. One of the questions I get the most is people say, where do you get your protein? And I'm like, bro, plants have all the protein that you need. Have you ever seen like gorillas? They're huge. Elephants, they're huge. They are naturally vegan. Anyway, let's skip all the small talk and let's get right down to it. In this bowl here, I have 1 head of lettuce and 2 cups of kale. The head of lettuce is 8 grams of protein right there. This salad is gonna have more protein than most people's protein shakes. That's just how I'm getting down. The kale, the kale has 2 cups of, it's 2 cups of kale, and that's 6 grams of protein. So right off the bat, we have 8 and 6, 14 grams of protein in here just to get started. So most people don't add beans to their to their salads, but I've seen salads like Southwest salads and other salads that will include beans. So this is a cup of black beans, and the 1 cup of black beans is 15 grams of protein. We're gonna add that right to it. That's that. Okay, next, after we have the beans, let's move it around a little bit. Oh, by the way, those are cooked black beans. Next, we're gonna add the sunflower seed kernels. This is a 1/2 cup. Now, in this 1/2 cup of cooked sunflower seed kernels, you have 15 grams of protein right here. We're just gonna go ahead and sprinkle that around. Next, I have an entire avocado, 1 avocado. That's gonna give you 4 grams of protein. So some people may say that this salad is too heavy for them. Well, you can make your own with less protein. You can switch up your ingredients. But the fact of the matter is, this salad is 56.5 grams of protein.
Oh my God! Wow!
This is more protein than most people's protein shakes, vegan or not. I've seen people do protein smoothies. I haven't seen any protein salads. I didn't look for them, but I haven't seen it. The tomato, a whole tomato has just under a gram of protein. This is more for my aesthetic pleasure than anything. And last but not least, the hummus. This is a 1/2 cup of hummus. I'll put it off to the side. This is red pepper hummus. And there you have it. You have 56 grams of protein in this bowl right here. You see this bowl? 56. Now show this to all your friends that say vegans don't get enough protein. You have 56 grams of protein. If you don't believe me, Google any of this stuff and it will show you that I am not BSing you. This is the real deal. The measurements of everything that you need will be in the description box below. You can add more stuff to this to increase your protein. This is a good salad that I know that I can finish. I don't even have to add dressing. I'm just gonna mix this up, and when I mix it, this is gonna be all I need. The hummus alone adds enough to it that I don't need anything else. So, if you're not already a mechanic, make sure that today you became a mechanic. You swipe that like button, you know, you hit it with the wrench, and you ring that notification bell. Let me know down at the bottom if you're a part of my notification squad. Anyhow, guys, eat grass, not ass. Like and subscribe. I'll see you later.
The dash is digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like Boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel